Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for kitchen gadget reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Cosori Lite 4.0 Quart Smart Air Fryer, a compact and budget-friendly option for solo or partnered households. Let's dive in and see if this smart air fryer is the right fit for you. The Cosori Lite 4.0 Quart Smart Air Fryer is a sleek and compact machine, perfect for smaller kitchens and households. While it may not have a lot of cooking space, it makes up for it with its smart capabilities. You can control it either via the control panel or through the VSync app, adding convenience to your cooking routine. Cosori offers a range of smart air fryers, including the 4-quart 3.8-liter model we're reviewing today, up to large dual basket models. The standout feature here is the VSync app, allowing you to program the air fryer and access predefined recipes with cooking times and temperatures. However, due to EU legislation, the app can't start the air fryer. The Cosori Lite air fryer boasts a stylish design with touch controls and a choice of light or dark finishes. Its solid construction and dishwasher-safe basket and tray make it easy to use and clean. It preheats quickly and has 5 preset cooking options, as well as manual temperature and time controls. Designed for smaller households, the cooking basket's 20 cm by 20 cm capacity is ideal for 1 to 3 portions. However, for certain foods like fries that need a single layer to cook consistently, its limited capacity may be a drawback. Nevertheless, it excels in cooking cupcakes to perfection, with a crispy exterior and fluffy interior. For those seeking more cooking space, the Instant Vortex Slim 6-quart air fryer is worth considering. Though similar in dimensions, it offers 6-quart 5.7-liter capacity due to a longer basket, giving you more cooking area. While the VSync app provides some control over the air fryer, it has limitations, like not being able to start the cook or receive shake notifications via the app. However, the Google Home integration was more successful, allowing control with voice commands. The Cosori Lite 4.0 Quart Smart Air Fryer is an excellent option for smaller households, offering convenience and great cooking results. Although it may have some limitations, it remains a solid choice for those seeking a compact and affordable air fryer. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the Cosori Lite 4.0 Quart Smart Air Fryer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more kitchen gadget reviews. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!